Alright, back at it. Now, it's small but fun. And just like that, you're reaching for the spring suit. My time with this board is drawing near. Gonna try to nail this knee board to stand up to coffin. But in order for the trick to be legit, when you jump down into the coffin, you have to time it so that you land on the board in the part of the wave that boosts your speed. You start on the knees, stand up on the face, point the board, give yourself the line, and then hop down into a full lay down and let her rip. Yeah, got it. The trifecta was a success. I'm gonna go grab the vessel.